Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Poco M5, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life. So you can do several things. So firstly, disable all unnecessary services. So if you are using mobile network, disable it. If you use Wi-Fi at the same time, disable Bluetooth, disable Nearby Share, disable Xiaomi Share, disable NFC location services. So here we have, here we have Nearby Share, Mi Share, and of course, you need to enable dark mode, because on this device we have OLED screen, and it means that in the black places screen is just disabled and not consuming the battery power. And scroll down, find your refresh rate and choose custom, choose 60 Hz. In this way you will extend your battery life. Of course, you can enable battery saver mode, you can enable ultra battery saver, so here save battery mode, you can enable ultra battery saver mode. With this mode you can extend your battery life too. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.